southeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Marion County. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Marion, Florida.
EAS Radio KWN38, servía por Pioneer North Central, Florida, una frecuencia 162.55 MHz.
The current time is 7:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Flood warning is canceled. The flood warning is canceled for a portion of northern Florida, including the following counties: Marion. The heavy rain has ended. Flooding is no longer expected to pose a threat. Please continue to heed remaining road closures. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Marion.
Yeah, thank you for the freaking previous notice, Twitter. Jeez.
Yeah, so that, HWSBR Blake.
Yeah, that's funny.
No, for Lake.
What do you mean by that?
Melbourne, you needed to, it's on the Lake County border.
Yeah, but
Melbourne
that does...
has to issue an SBR for this. They have to.
I don't know if they will, though, but... And look, freaking... Oh yeah, Jacksonville's not gonna issue something. Ahem. Well, no more flood warnings, but dang. Right after a weekly test. Oh my gosh.